Kamusta po sa Senado ngayon?
Um, well, ngayon we were busy the past month, although we were on break. Nag-break muna doon sa floodgate
Flood control
scandal
issue,
issue, so
oo.
to speak, flood control issue. But we were ano naman, kami ni Senator Gatchalian, the chairman committee in finance, and myself as the vice chair of the committee. We have been very busy hearing the different budgets and agency, no.
Right.
I was always there because during the budget hearings, because ito naman kasi ano again, ang budget hearings, yung pong agencies and departments go to the Senate,
Yeah.
go to the House and then go to the Senate, because what is approved, meron sila pa proposed budget, then but they will have an approved budget from the DBM, yung po yung National Expenditure Program, which usually it's cut, no? Talagang bawas na bawas yon. And that's why we have hearings to hear what programs will be affected and what programs really need funding. That's why yun po, I'm proud to say that what difference really differentiate the Senate, yung pong we are known for the institutional amendments, no? And I would say na we are guilty of insertions, but good insertions. Ang sama na kasi ng word na insertion.
Yeah.
Oo.
I'd rather call it amendments, no? For
Amendments.
example lang, no, Diego, Angela. For example, the Department of National Defense, they have a proposed budget. For example, AFP modernization of 50 billion. Pag dumaan po ng NEP, magiging 10 billion na lang po yan, o 20 billion. Pag dumaan minsan ng House, nagiging 10 billion na lang, nababawasan pa. When it goes to the Senate, most of the time, we not only restore it, but sometimes more often than not, we augment it, dinadagdagan pa natin.
Yeah.
Di ba? Because hearing, especially for the precarious situation of the West Philippine Sea, so dinadagdagan po natin yan. For example, Department of Health, ganito yung proposed budget po nila, ito na yung approved ng NEP, ito yung sa
Yeah.
House approved budget, they will go to the Senate. Ako po, of course, I'll be biased, the principal author of Universal Healthcare, ano pa maapektuhan. So, dadagdagan po natin yan and we will introduce the amendments. So, yun, I think we were busy this past month hearing all of these agencies and departments, and we will have some good reforms and good news probably, no? Si Senator Gatchalian and I and the other and our colleagues work together to introduce reforms and improvements. May mga magaganda tayong balitang in the coming weeks, no? As we go on and as we bring the budget hearings to the plenary.